Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Andy back again from the Underground, and today we're taking a look at the Temple of Gains drop set pins. I actually received these free of charge, as Yoni from Temple of Gains was sending me a paint pen for my leg extension leg curl. These drop set pins allow you to do drop sets on a selectorized machine. A drop set is basically a training technique that allows you to start at a higher weight, do the reps for a certain amount or until failure, and then it drops the weight for you to do more reps or until failure. This is a pretty common technique in bodybuilding, focusing on muscle fatigue and increasing volume. So with this drop set pin, there's technically two pins in this system. There's going to be a metal one and then there's this plastic one. So this metal one is going to go into the weight that you want to do, and this plastic one goes into the hole below it. And once you get the pin into the hole, it is ready to go. You want to usually set the selectorized pin to the last weight that you want to drop it off to. And as you can see, as I go through the motion, it's going to pop right out just because of the spring mechanism that it has built in. Boom, right there. And now that you see, the weight is defaulted to the one that I set the normal pin to. And the function is the same with the two drop set pins. So say if you're doing 3 sets total with 2 drops, you can set up both of the pins, one obviously higher than the other. And here we go, there's 2 pins set in there. As you can see, it'll drop off to these certain weights that I have the pins to. Just gonna go through the motion, pops right out. And then it goes to the next drop set pin. And I set up the second drop set pin just like the normal one. And it pops right out right after you hit the finish. Here's a live example of me using these drop set pins on the Strive chest press. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching as always. Make sure you like and subscribe. That's actually going to do it for this video. Nice and short today. Holla back at your boy. I will see you in the next one. Peace.